Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Many times, artists ask me if I will do a introductory class to Sumi-e as they are new beginners. And I also have artists that would like to relearn the bamboo painting because it's so essential to a lot of other artwork on brush painting. So in an upcoming class, I will focus on bamboo. In the class, we will learn for beginners and refreshers alike how to paint bamboo with a round brush, but also with a flat brush plus a very large round brush. So we will learn how to work on stems, but also on the knocks and also on the branches. And since this is a class not only for beginners, but also for people who want to relearn the bamboo painting by going back to the basics. We'll also have a discussion on how to do the branches and also how to do the leaves step by step. So not only would we learn about the classic way of doing the bamboo and different ways of overlapping, we also learn about the compositions, placement of the bamboo leaves to how to make a classic Sumi-e painting. So in these lessons, we'll have lots and lots of information on the leaves, the branches, the stems, and also on various compositions and things like that. So I hope if you are a beginner, you will join us in these bamboo painting lessons. And if you are a experienced artist, you will find this a refresher course for you to relearn and look at the basic with a fresh pair of eyes. So hope to see you in our bamboo lessons. Thank you.